It's after lunch on a Monday afternoon and we're joining the northbound M73 at junction 2, Baillieston. We can see a Lochmaben Transport wagon and drag. The sideboards normally indicate low loads like tiles, bricks or blocks on pallets or wraps, and the hiab grab means he can unload himself when he gets to his delivery point. He's making good progress and gaining on SL68 VLG, an unmarked white Scania pulling an ASDA double-decker trailer, probably empty or returning to Grangemouth with a light load, or maybe salvage or empty cages. We know this because his midlift axle is raised. The ASDA wagon hasn't managed to maintain his speed, despite being light and on level ground, each time shortening the gap and reducing Lochmaben's forward visibility so he pulls out to overtake. Mr. ASDA notices and quickly reaches his speed limiter, leaving Lochmaben stranded in lane 2, with traffic building up behind him and keeps him there for the next 2.4 miles. Highway Code Rule 168 says, if a driver is trying to overtake you, maintain a steady course and speed, slowing down if necessary to let the vehicle pass. Never obstruct drivers who wish to pass. Speeding up or driving unpredictably while someone is overtaking you is dangerous. Drop back to maintain a 2-second gap if someone overtakes and pulls into the gap in front of you. As the distribution centre drivers normally poodle back to the depot, not pushed for time and trying to save fuel, even on 2-lane sections of motorway, and allow safe overtaking. This one thinks accelerating while being overtaken isn't dangerous, and shows that you can create even bigger queues if you try hard enough. Thank you for watching.